Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create high converting lead generation landing pages using Woorise. If you are new to Woorise, this video is part of our complete Woorise tutorial series where we break down everything in a simple, beginner-friendly way so you can start building campaigns that actually convert. Now, if you haven't watched our beginner's guide to Rise, that's a great place to start because it lays the foundation and walks you through the dashboard and core features. But don't worry, even if you are jumping straight into this video, we will guide you everything you need to know to build your first lead gen landing page with confidence. And remember to use our affiliate link in the video description below to get started. Now, all you have to do now is log in using your credentials and then go to the main dashboard. You will see three sections on the top corner. The pages is where you create and manage your campaigns. Later on, we're gonna go back here, but for now, I am going to click the integrations where you can connect Woorise to other tools and platforms. And then the sites is where your Woorise campaigns are displayed. So if you run multiple websites, it lets you control which pages, which campaigns belong to which site. So think of it as the deployment and domain management area. We're gonna go back to the pages because this is where we create our landing pages by clicking the add page. And you will notice you have multiple options to choose from. Now all I have to do is go to the lead generation template, browse, and select. One of the best things about Woorise is their pre-built templates. These are already optimized for conversions, and choose a template that matches your goals, like if you're looking for an email signup, or if you're looking for free downloads, or webinar registration, it's up to you. Now in this case, what I'm gonna do is click the media upload contest. Click the preview button. Now before you use this template, you want to make sure that the template is responsive using the web version and the mobile version. If you feel that this template is going to be the best template that matches your goal, click the Use this template button because you will be forwarded to the template editor. Inside the Create section, we have the ability to customize the landing page. Once you open the editor, you can edit the main headline. For example, double click on it. And then there is a three dots icon here. You can rename if you want. Click the save button. And you can be creative as you can by hovering on the drop down menus. You can control all of these to match your goal. The idea is you are not limited with your imagination because that's where Woorise stands out. You can always click on any section to edit all of these, but since the template already gives us what we need, all we have to do now is customize the lead capture form. Click the form section. This is where the magic happens. Your lead capture form, because here you can add fields like a single line text, drag and drop it here, and then you can rename this. By double clicking on it, put the field label, or maybe some, for example, let's say we're gonna put in something like this. And then for the description, you can do that. Remember, the fewer fields, the higher your conversion rate. So do not put too much information here. But of course, again, as I've mentioned earlier, you are not limited with your imagination. Be creative as you can. There is no right and wrong style here. After that, you can go to the field settings, add fields. You can preview just to make sure that we are progressing to our goal. And then once you're satisfied, let's edit the page again. And let's go back to the form section and then go to the share. But before you can share or embed your campaign, you need to publish it. How? Go back to the create section. On the top right corner, you will see there is the publish button. I want you to click on it. And then boom. Once we have done that, let's go back to the share option again because make sure your Woorise campaign is fully set up and ready to go once everything looks good. Keep in mind, if you want to run live campaigns without limits, you'll need to upgrade your plan, and remember to use our affiliate link in the video description. Once we have published our landing page, it will be live and accessible via its unique URL link, as you can see it from here. Now, the good thing is, you can share this URL link to different social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Messenger, Pinterest, WhatsApp, and if you want to send this via email, you can do that as well. Especially if you wanted to send this to your client for feedback or if you are part of a collaborative environment. Now, the good thing about Woorise is that not only provides multiple sharing options, it also provides an embedding option, making it easy to distribute your landing page anywhere. You see, there is the embed link right here. I am going to copy this and I am going to embed it to my website, which is powered by Squarespace. So if you have similar options, you can do that as well. And after that, we go to the entries. This is where you view the responses submitted by the users. Of course, you can see the individual submissions, export the data if you want, right here on the actions. You can filter or search responses and manage giveaway participants. So think of this as your response database. And then the last is going to be the report. This sections shows you the analytics and summaries of your data. So it includes charts and graphics, submission statistics, conversion rates, performance insights. It helps you analyze how your form or campaign is performing. Now, let's head back to the Create section to preview the live landing page we've just built. All we have to do is click the arrow right here to view it live. This will allow us to review the layout, decide an overall functionality in real time. Take a moment to scroll through the page and ensure that everything looks exactly the way you intended, from the headlines and images to the form, fields, and call to action buttons. Now, if everything appears correctly and all elements are working smoothly, congratulations! We have successfully created a fully functional lead generation landing page using Woorise. Alright, that's exactly how you create a high converting lead generation landing page using Woorise. As you can see, it's actually pretty straightforward. Pick a template, customize your form, connect your email provider and publish. No coding, no complicated setup, just a clean system designed to capture leads fast. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. And remember to use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.